Snail Mucin COSRX review. The COSRX Snail Mucin 96 Power Essence is one of the most hyped K-beauty products worldwide. Let's break down its features, pros, and cons. This essence contains 96% snail secretion filtrate, one of the highest concentrations available. It's designed to hydrate, repair the skin barrier, and smooth texture. Pros include deep hydration, reduced redness, smoother texture, and a lightweight formula that layers well under sunscreen or makeup. It's a fragrance-free and safe for sensitive skin. Among its cons, sticky feel in humid climates, and not a miracle anti-aging solution, and it does not clear cystic acne. Some users may dislike the viscous texture. It's best fit for users with dehydrated or sensitive skin, students and professionals who want quick absorption, and budget-conscious buyers looking for reliable hydration. Priced at $20 to $24, it's one of the most affordable K-beauty staples compared to Western Essence that costs 3 to 5 times. The COSRX Snail Mucin 96 Essence is worth the hype for hydration and barrier repair.